This is Snowy. This little 2-month-old puppy was astray with her sister in Rio Grande City. Her sister unfortunately was killed. Her body's still there, and Snowy is lucky to be alive. Today, we're taking our Cessna 182 and flying it to Arkansas, where it'll meet another foster who will then be taking it all the way up to Ohio. Let's go.
Clear prop.
Arrived. Yes, we did. We are in Arkansas, and then this is the view. You can see some of the mountains in the background. Super cool. It's tower, but it's not towered. It's kind of weird. It's an interesting airport. But this guy has got a new foster. She is super sweet. You ready to go? Okay, let's go find her. Well, this one is definitely one of the sweeter ones I have had, and she is soft like a cat. Say hi. Say, take me to my foster so I can find my forever home. That's where we're going. Check this out. Black Hawk helicopter. See it in the distance? How cool is that? All right, we got them meeting us inside. All-Star Pets from Ohio.
All-Star Pets from Ohio, and obviously this guy came from Dallas, Texas.
Yes.
And they were looking for, as far as I understand, for fosters. And the leader of All-Star Pets said he would take him.
Awesome.
Looking for someone in Texas, is someone driving to Texas?
Yeah.
I said, well, I'm in Arkansas. How,
Yeah.
if I can meet somebody halfway, I
Yeah.
would bring them back to Ohio.
Wow, you're going to Ohio. Look at you.
Yeah.
You do a great cause. Do you just get dogs it doesn't matter where they are? Or?
I'm not sure how they do that. Randy does that, but yeah, they'll pick up dogs. I think from all over. I know Texas, a lot of Texas.
Yeah, a lot of Texas. And they, like I was saying, they usually go up north, and they'll take them out of Houston because there's such a huge population of dogs in Houston for whatever reason, and they just put them down if they can't find them.
Yeah, I know. That's a great thing to have. Post that around more often.
Yeah. So I was in the area. I thought, well, I can at least bring them from